Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
How do you feel about Meghalaya?
It's very beautiful. Hopefully, I will be coming again to visit some place, more place. Very beautiful. People are very friendly. People are supportive. Very good.
Kini ki arngot kisikurem kilami nalayeng nakari Bangladesh banwan sang suari syakne kejela jongi bat kila pelut ya kapor jongki lakatu kanisngi hasora haba kidon hangni kidap lakamen sim kejing semua kemen banyo i ya kejing internet kisau dong sokun jongni kejela jongi pause kensan kleyo ke khubor ke besngosi bahakari jongki kaladon kejing ki ke besir kai ke baraki spangut ki brio kilayam bat baka menteri rang badu jongkiru ka Sheikh Hasina ka haban pet keratno nalaka jongkari Muhammad Abdul Rahman bat ka kurem jong kilawan poya kini kejela ka artrik unailar hanrai wat hapdeng ke jingteng jing seir mensem banek pai shalari kimban sepat namar baka por jong ki bandon hangni kalakut bat kala dei kesngi bagi haban mi no na India kumta baro orngot kisyukurem kilalik pai shalaka jongkari ling baka kat khapot na tamabil
Kesan kesan ini mari pemanu nih. हम ढाका से आया मेघालय चेरापूंजी पे गया टूरिस्ट है घूमने के लिए
2 तारीख को यहाँ आए और आज हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ पर हम इंडिया से बात किया था कि बस चल रहा है या नहीं तो बस चल रहा है तो हम ओके हम जा सकते हैं ढाका यहाँ से
bus counter is okay bus are running so they said we can come bus will be go to Dhaka so that's why we came here to go Dhaka safety, I think it's okay now. Previous day it was something bad going to happen. I believe now it's okay because everything is under control as I know. And after going there, we totally understand got this whatever it is going to happen. I hope everything is okay. Surprising, certainly happened everything. Something bad happened definitely too but I hope everything would be good right from now let's see Bangladesh we live together Hindu Muslim Christian all together never doing anything happen but last few days something happened uncertain things I hope everything would be okay for because the situation was bad maybe that's why something happened but everything we all live all together happily no problem all our brothers I think everything will be happy.
How do you feel about Meghalaya?
It's very beautiful. Hopefully I will be coming again to visit some place more place very beautiful people are very friendly people are supportive very good.
You are from which part of Bangladesh?
Dhaka, Jatra.
Ah!